Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rabbi zidni ilma, O Allah increase my knowledge. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri walil uqtatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, open my chest and easy my task for me, and loose the knot from my tongue, that they understand my speech. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tamimil khair. Today, my topic is respecting elders. How should we treat our elders? Imagine that you are sitting down in a chair, waiting to get into the doctor's office, and an older lady enters the room. There are no seats available for her to sit in. Would you pretend that you did not see her walk in, or would you get up and offer her your chair? A good person would get up from the chair and invite the old lady to sit down. Respecting elders in Islam is very important because elderly people have a lot of knowledge and wisdom. They have lived for a long time and learned many things. Have you noticed how your grandparents know a lot of things? But at the same time, they need help picking up heavy things. When people become old, they lose their physical ability to do many things you can easily do now. Their eyes may not see as well as yours. When they walk for a long time, they become tired. One day, you will become like them, inshallah, and need the help of those who are younger than you. Old people not only need the help of younger ones, but they deserve their respect too. You can learn a lot of good things from your elders. They can teach you many things from their long experience in life. Unwise children think that old people are boring, while smart kids sit and listen carefully to what the wise and old people say. Older people often have interesting stories to tell, filled with information and experiences they have gained in their lives. They can give great ideas and warn you against many harmful things or actions. One good tip can make you succeed in life or can save you from falling into a big problem. Islam emphasizes respect for the elderly. The Prophet Muhammad said, Ibn Abbas narrated that Rasulullah said, He is not one of us who does not have kindness for our young and respect for our old. Reported in Abu Dawood and Tirmidhi. In another hadith, Rasulullah promises any young person who is kind to an elderly person that Allah will in turn send him someone who will be kind to him when he becomes old. So if you respect the elderly now, Allah will guide the young people to respect you when you become older, inshallah. Respecting elders. When you respect your elders, you care about how they feel. You believe that their ideas, thoughts, and feelings are important. This means you should listen to them when they talk, even if you think that what they are saying is boring. Not talk back to them in an impolite manner. Greet them with Assalamu alaikum when you see them. Answer your grandparents and elders when they ask a question. When they pass away, you can also show respect to any Muslim who has passed away by making dua for them and asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive them. You can show respect to them by donating something for the sake of Allah in their name. They would be happy to receive such nice gifts from you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants all young and old Muslims to be respectful to each other. When you show respect to others, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you and all His creation loves you too. Good reasons to respect elders. Showing sincere respect to your elders pleases Allah and makes Him love you. The people with the best manners are the closest to Prophet Muhammad in the hereafter in Jannah. Showing respect to elders means they will respect you too. Your family and friends love to be with you you because respect their feelings. When you see an older person carrying heavy things or needing help, then you should help him or her. وآخر الدعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.